Part 7, the mean. You will find this on page 290 in the Namibian Mathematics Grade 8 textbook, y equals mx plus c to success. Let's start at the beginning. Measure of central tendency and dispersion. Introduction to central tendency and dispersion. Collecting data can be easy and fun, but sometimes it can be hard to tell other people about what you have found out. In statistics, two methods are frequently used to describe data. They are measures of central tendency and dispersion. These are often called descriptive statistics because they can help you to describe your data with some numerical values that reveal the characteristics of the data set. There are three common measures of central tendency, namely the mean, the median, and the mode. In grade 8, we will just work with the arithmetic mean. Central tendency, the mean. The mean is the arithmetic average of the score or the typical score. The mean is the most widely used measure. The mean is the number found by adding all the values in the data set and dividing by the total number of values in the set. So the sum of all the values in the data set divide by the total number of values. The following are the marks for a test. There. Find the mean score. So you're just going to add up all the values and you're just going to divide it by the total number of values. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you divide it by 8, you will get 6.25. Okay. I want you to stop the video and I want you to do try now 7 number B. Okay, let's start. Try now 7 and we are just going to look at number B. Okay, so the height of 6 students, let's just move it a little bit up. The height of 6 students are 1.65, 1.57, 1.49, 1.55, 1.47 and 1.68. Calculate the mean height of the students. Okay, so if I want to find the mean, it's just going to be the sum of all values in the data set, and I'm just going to divide it by the total number of observations. Total number of observations. Okay, so let's just start adding it up. So it will be 1.65 plus 1.57 plus 1.49 plus 1.55 plus 1.47 plus the last one 1.68. Okay, let's see if we can move it a little bit. Okay, 1.68, and I'm going to divide it by, and how many numbers are there? There are 6 numbers. Okay, so if I add it up, I get 9.41. If I divide it by 6, I will get 1.57. And that will be an indication of my mean. Okay, let's look at another example. In the table are 2 sets of data. Find the mean for the combined set of data. Okay, now first, the most important, I'm just going to add up these values and then I get 20. And there, how many numbers are there? 5. So what will the mean be? 4. Now, do the same with this one. Add it up. I get 22. So how many numbers are there? 2. So what will the mean be? 11. Okay, so the total is 42. So the number of marks is 7 and the mean will be 6. So you cannot just go and add this 2 up and divide it by 2. That will be incorrect. You have to find the total of everything and then divide it by 7. Okay, so the total, so just you find the total, okay, and divide it by the total amount of marks, and that will give you 6. So note, the mean of individual set of data can never average themselves without referring to the original set of data. Just meaning you cannot just say 11 plus 4 and then I get 15 and I divide it by 2 and I get 7.5. That is wrong. Okay. I want you again to stop the video, and I want you to do try now 8, and then as soon as you are finished, you can continue with the video. Okay. So let's just see. In the table are two sets. Find the mean for the combined set of data. So let's just start. So it's try now 8. Okay. So remember, to find the mean for the combined set is, and it will be, let's just write it down, just my sum, that's going to be equal to the total of A plus the total of set B, and then the number of marks in A and B. Okay, so if you want to find the total, it's basically just adding up all this. So it's going to be 4 plus 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. That's the one set. Plus the other one will be 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 2. And if I divide it by, what will be my total? This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7 plus this one 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually going to give me 32 plus 26. And that's 7 plus 4, which will give me 58. Divide 11. And the average of these two data will be equal to 5.3. And that's actually indicating the mean.